All right, calculus. Here is part 2 of your base E exponential natural log function notes. Now we've got f of x is equal to e to the 5x divided by 3x squared. So we're going to have to use quotient rule because we have a fraction there. Plus our new e to the 5x will require that exponential rule. All right, so our derivative is going to be the derivative of the top. So this is going to be e to the 5x times the derivative of the top, which is 5, but I'm going to write it out front, times the bottom. So again, derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom. What's the derivative of 3x squared? That would be 6x. All over the bottom squared. So on top I've got 5 times 3x squared, that'd be 15x squared e to the 5x minus 6x e to the 5x. On the bottom I've got 3 squared, that's 9, x squared to the squared power would be x to the 4th. What can we factor out of the top? What's common to both of this term and this term? A 3, an x, and an e to the 5x. And what I have left here is a 5, and one more x. And here if I take out 3x, e to the 5x, I've got minus 2. On the bottom I still have 9x to the 4th. But now I have things that can cancel. This 3 goes into 9 3 times. I have 1x on top and 4 on bottom, so we'll cancel one of those out. And we're left with e to the 5x times 5x minus 2 over 3x cubed. All right, differentiation rule for natural logs. So if f of x is equal to natural log of g of x, then the derivative of f is equal to the derivative of g over g. So notice g is what the argument is. So in this case here, 2x minus 3 is your g of x. In this case, 3x squared plus 2x is your g of x. So it's just the derivative of the inside argument over that inside argument. So for this one here, f prime of x is going to be the derivative of 2x minus 3, which is 2, over 2x minus 3. This next one again is the derivative of the inside. The derivative of this, derivative of 3x squared is 6x. Derivative of 2x is 2 over the inside. Derivative of the inside over the inside. All right. For a natural log of cosine x, our derivative of cosine x is minus sine x over cosine x, which is what's on the inside. But minus sine x over cosine x, that's negative tan x. For this next one, we're going to have to use a little bit of chain rule. So on the bottom here, we've got the square root of 2x minus 4. That does not change. But keep in mind, this is the same thing as natural log of 2x minus 4 to the 1/2. So when we go to find the derivative of this guy, we're going to have to use chain rule. So I've got 1/2 times 2x minus 4 to the 1/2 minus 1 power. That's negative 1/2. Times the derivative of the inside. The derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of negative 4 is 0. All right, what cancels out here? The 1/2 times 2 is just 1. This guy's got a negative exponent, so it needs to go down to the bottom. So I've got just 1 left on top. I've got a square root of 2x minus 4. And then I've got 2x minus 4 to the negative 1/2. So it's going to come down and also be a square root of 2x minus 4. And the square root of 2x minus 4 times the square root of 2x minus 4 is just 2x minus 4. And we are done with video 2. That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we're going to crack open these calculators and have the calculator to do the work of finding the derivatives at certain points for us. Have a good night.